Do you have magic? Yes, because this moment you are the best and beautiful magician in the world. Are you ready for this? Okay, choose a magic wand. Don't move, let me see. Let me see. Okay, I have two magic wands. I have a black, I have a red. Choose one, black or red. Do you like black? Are you sure? They're ready for you. Okay, now I have a question for you. Do you like to paint and draw? Good, because this moment I'm going to teach you a paint and draw with magic. Are you ready? Okay, don't move. Okay, you need a table. Stay here. Okay? Okay. You need a magic coloring book. Let me see. This is a magic coloring book. Okay? I show you. This moment is in white. It's nothing inside. And your concentration, imagination, and magic. Are you ready? Okay, look. Nothing here, nothing. Okay? It's in white. Lady, put your hand on the book. Your hand on the book like this. Like this. Move your magic wand. Close your eyes. Okay, now think in magic. Close your eyes. You think a magician, you think a wizards, you think a magician appearing the rabbit, you think a magician appearing the dog, you think a magician appearing the rabbit and dog. You think in magic, only magic. For example, you think a wizard appearing the ball, and read the future with your magic ball. You think of magic, only magic. Imagination, concentration, and magic. Are you ready? Okay, repeat after me. Hocus pocus. Now you. Let me see. Wow, look at this. But what do you think about the colors? With the color, right? Because it's in black and white, with the colors. Put your hand on the book, move your magic wand, close your eyes. Now, think in colors. Do you think in red, orange, blue, green, violet, purple, brown, yellow? What is your favorite color? Purple. You think in purple. You think in purple, blue, green, yellow, black and white, red, all the colors, okay? Imagination, concentration, and magic. Are you ready? Okay, now repeat after me. Shazam! Let me see. Wow, everybody clap your hands, the best and beautiful artist in the world. Ladies, now this moment we need to clear the book because I need the white again, okay? Now, I need your concentration, put your hand on the book, move your magic wand, close your eyes. Now, think in white, only white. Or do you think in nothing or in white? White and nothing or in white. Imagination, concentration, and magic. Ready? Okay. Now you say, hocus pocus. Let me see.